Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your Costco card for gas. So the first thing that you need to do is that on your phone, you need to download the Costco app. And when you click on the Costco app, on the bottom middle hand side, there's going to be an account button. So on this button, you'll be able to pull up a QR code that you could actually tap to enlarge. So with that QR code that you have, you scan the QR code here, and then once you scan it, you should hear a beep, at which point you just need to go ahead and tap and insert your payment card. So I'll just go ahead and tap, and then you should hear a second beep, at which point you just need to go ahead and grab your nozzle, click which gas that you want, and that's pretty much it. So main thing is that you just need the Costco app to go ahead and get that QR code